All right, so this is the Hover Air X1 from 00 Company. This is a portable, super lightweight, foldable, autonomous drone that is meant to capture those in-between moments from your cell phone or your regular camera, and it's also got AI built into it that follows you autonomously. For a solo content creator, a filmmaker, or someone that just wants to capture these family moments, this little flying camera is your answer. They have created, in my opinion, a perfect autonomous camera. There's no need for a remote. They have an app, but you don't necessarily need it. And best of all, it takes off and lands from your palm. The other incredible thing is it's only 125 grams, meaning that you don't have to register this with the FAA as like you would with other drones. So that meaning that you can literally take this with you other places drones wouldn't let you with GPS built into it. There's actually a camera underneath here that basically sees the ground below it, letting it know that it's able to be a certain amount of feet off the ground there. So this thing is packed full of incredible features and also run the Red Dot award system. So you know it's got a fantastic background inside of there. It has an incredible amount of features as well too. So with this button on here, push this down to power up the drone. It actually does a gimbal adjustment there. And has zoom out. And different modes available on here. So I'm in zoom out mode right now. Follow mode. Orbit mode. Bird eye. Straight up bird's eye view. And then custom with dolly on there. There's different systems you can actually put on there as well too. And then just straight hover mode, which actually kind of acts almost like a tripod floating in the middle of the air. So let's go ahead and put this on follow mode and see what this thing does. So let's talk about tech specs. This thing actually shoots 2.7K, so not full 4K, but perfect clarity in my opinion, especially for social medias or content creators on the go. The other thing it shoots is 1080p HD in 60 frames per second. So if you're looking for slow motion, that's where your option is. It also shoots HDR effect as well too. So high dynamic range in that 1080p, giving you some more colors to play with in there as well. So who is this drone meant for? It's not meant to capture those incredibly cinematic videos where you're flying over cliffs and capturing those dive bombs like you would be in an FPV drone. This is more for someone, like I said, solo content creators, people on the go, or families that want to capture those really quick moments. That being said, it is still an incredible little drone. I can't believe how insanely awesome this thing is. 11 minutes of flight time, 32 gigabytes of memory inside of here for storage, and it's got an app that you can download everything right to your phone directly and then share it instantly. I think that they really knocked this thing out of the park. And like I said, being a Red Dot winner, 00, I truly tip my hat to you guys. This is a fantastic piece of equipment and one that's gonna be in my travel kit and for my content creation kit always with me. You know, they always say is the best camera you have is the camera you have with you, and being able to get quick drone shots like this without having to take out my Mavic, set up a GPS, get the remote out, hook my phone up to it, record it, fly it, has GPS tracking on it, so there's certain areas that I can't fly this thing in. So it's just being able to get those quick capture moments is absolutely insane with this thing. Truly, you guys did a fantastic job. The kit that I got was the combo kit. It came with an extra battery, which gives you another 11 minutes of flight time. It comes with a dual charging, fast charging hub, which allows you to charge up via USB-C. So in about 35 minutes, it will actually charge up one battery from 0 to full. I must say the overall package that came with the Hover experience was very, very premium feeling. Nothing was left out, everything was very well thought through, and the presentation was absolutely fantastic. So the drone, super lightweight, folds out, great cage system so it can actually take abuse, and honestly, it truly is a really fantastic product. It comes with this incredible carrying pouch that just slides right inside of there. They do have a hard case available, and it comes with a USB Type-C to regular USB. This is showing charging. It's looking for one that has the most power inside of it, and then it actually decides and starts charging the one on the right-hand side. Again, from the 0 to full in 35 minutes.
So overall thoughts with the Hover Hair X1, that this product is absolutely fantastic. If you again are a solo creator, a family person that just wants to capture incredible moments, or just someone that wants to get a different perspective in your photography or videography, this little tiny drone is the one for you.